Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. I am Chef Lachezar Chotkin, and today I'm gonna show you how to prepare cream soup with potato and leeks with some croutons with herbs. Okay guys, here we go. We start to clean the leek and we're gonna cut the green part on top. And then cut horizontal the leek and the part the end. Take out the necessary foil to clean the leek, and you wanna wash. You're gonna wash the leek and be careful, wash and clean properly, because sometimes it's very dirty inside, and just make sure it's clean. After that, just put on the chopping board. Cut the leek, big circles, not very big, medium size. Put in the pan. Put some olive oil. And we're gonna cook until they're getting soft, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. In that time, I prepare already my potato. I clean already and I put in cold water to don't making the potato black. And we're gonna start to cut the potato. We're gonna cut in half. After that, just make some lines of 1.5 centimeters. And you cut almost same like the garlic, and you cut almost same like the leek, because we're gonna blend everything together later. So at that point, no point to cut knife, just try to make sure it's not very big pieces, because when you go to cook, it takes a long time. And if you cut the small pieces, just you wanna cook very fast. We add the potato on the we add the potato in the leek. Okay, the leek is ready. We put the potato and we add the vegetable stock, And we put some salt, not too much, some paprika. I put some paprika because I changed the color and I changed a bit the taste, and it's a bit more tasty. Some oregano. We're gonna mix and we're gonna leave to cook for about 30-35 minutes. Okay, we start to prepare the croutons. What we gonna need to prepare the croutons? We need some olive oil, some fresh rosemary, some fresh thyme, and some oregano. So we're gonna cut the bread into slices, and then we're gonna cut in small, not very small cubes, just like 1.5 to 2 centimeters. And then we're gonna blend our herbs. We wash already our herbs, our rosemaries and our thymes, and we're gonna just put inside. Just try to don't put all this paste. Just try to put for a bit because we don't need. We need just foil of the rosemary. We're gonna put some thyme. Okay, now we're gonna put all the condiments for the croutons. We're gonna put some oil, olive oil. We're gonna put a bit of salt, a bit of white pepper, and now we're gonna blend. We have already blended our herbs. Now we're gonna add them into our croutons, and we're gonna mix them with all the oil. If it's not too much oil for you, you can put a bit more or how you like. Okay, now we're gonna put in the oven. Just try to make sure all the herbs are around the bread, because when you go to cook, you're gonna stick on the bread and gonna stay. Now we're gonna cook our croutons in the oven for about 10 minutes for 200 degrees, and or until they change the color. You're gonna check. I cooking for about 10 minutes. So after 35 minutes, our soup is ready. Now we're gonna blend it with the blender, and we're gonna make in a cream. Okay guys, our cream is ready, and I blend. Try to make sure you blend properly, and if you are not sure it's blend properly, you just use the strainer. And our croutons are already done. Okay, here we go. Oh, this smell is amazing. With all these herbs, fresh herbs, and we're gonna serve. Make sure it's very hot. Put like decoration, and I'm gonna put on top just a bit of paprika to see how it's gonna change. It's gonna be a bit more colorful, and we're gonna put just some bit olive oil, and now our cream is ready to eat. Thank you for watching me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, you can follow me for more recipes, and buon appetito!